how to use Amazon Prime for Twitch subscription. Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how you can use Amazon Prime for your Twitch subscription. So if you didn't know, Amazon has a deal with Twitch, so you can use your actually Prime subscription for a Twitch subscription as well. So let's get started. So first things first, you're gonna come over here onto your Prime Video, and you're gonna come over here into your profile and click on Prime Benefits. Then it's gonna take you over here to benefits, and you're gonna scroll down and you can see all the benefits, but you're gonna see you have Prime Gaming. What you're gonna do is you're gonna click over here. It's gonna open up over here in another tab, and you can start exploring it. Then what you want to do is just simply click over here, and you can see you have a bunch of different options: seller account, Prime Video, Amazon, and a bunch of different ones, right? And you can go ahead and select this one. So you can click on start claiming over here. It's going to open up Prime Gaming in another tab. And over here, you can just simply activate Prime Gaming. Click on it, and it will activate Prime Gaming. So just simply click on activate Prime. And over here, you just simply have to add in your mobile number, and you should be good to go. But once you've done that, you are good to go. Then you can go ahead and subscribe to any of these games. You can claim any of these games for free, and you can also go ahead and subscribe to any of your Twitch account as well. So over here, if you have your profile, just simply click on link Twitch account, click on link accounts. It's going to take you over here onto Twitch. Now you just have to log in with your Twitch account, and you should be good to go. So it wasn't working on Google Chrome, so now I'm on Opera GX. So let's go ahead and link my Twitch account. I've already signed in on my Twitch account right here. So now we just simply link these accounts, click on confirm, and there we go. Our Twitch account has now been linked into our Amazon Prime account, and now we can activate our Prime Gaming as well. And over here, as you can see, manage Twitch account. Click over here, click on Twitch account. As you can see now, my Twitch account has been connected. So it says right here, there we go. We can unlink it as well. So that is how you link your Amazon Prime account to your Twitch account. Now you can just simply go ahead and subscribe to any of your favorite streamers and give them a Prime sub. So thank you guys for watching, and until next time, take care and goodbye.